They have like a rope over the rope, and then you can like just drop it in the pool.
All right, guys. Go ahead, get out paper, start your notes. We are doing the law of signs today.
Law of signs?
Yeah, our like
law of signs. There is a law of cosines. There's not a law of tangents.
Yeah, because tangent sucks. I hate tangents.
Yeah,
Right? You know how
it's just like
No, that's fine. And that.
Okay, your title written down?
No.
Write your So when I said get out paper, that meant, you know, paper. Guys, fine paper. You're ready. All right, we're just gonna leave you behind right now. So. Don't be very. All right. So this is the law of sines. Everything you guys have done so far for solving triangles, it's only good in right triangles, like sine, cosine, tangent. So this now works for all triangles. It doesn't have to be a right triangle. So you just need to copy down the triangle and set up those proportions. Yeah. We use this for angle, angle, side, angle, and angle, side, which you'll actually learn why that wasn't a thing you could use in geometry.
What you said, just draw the triangle?
Like, draw everything somewhere. Today is pretty easy. You just have to set up proportions and so on. Nothing tricky.
Oh, proportions are easy. Miss Lee, would you say this unit is harder or easier than last unit?
Easier. I should say easier.
Easier, really?
So, should I expect 100%?
That's expecting a lot.
I know. I'll just wait till next class. What? They're the same.
Why do we learn proofs so early? Like
Geometry proofs?
No. Proofs of
Trig proofs?
Yeah, like this three. Why is it so early?
No, because when we get to Unit 7, we're not in trig anymore. We're almost done in trig.
Then what do we go into?
We're doing a math analysis. It's kind of like an extension of algebra 2. So like functions and logarithms and polynomials and graphs. Was algebra 2 hard? Yeah.
See, Bryce was just too nice to our class, and they took advantage of it, and like we just didn't learn.
my teacher really didn't like me.
Not a lot.
I like you. I don't know how wrong you like. I never spoke. She was scared of me.
Another class rule. All right, guys. Everybody have this copy down. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you how we actually use this. All right. So this is our first example. So copy down the triangle, and then I'll show you how to solve this. You get to use your calculator once again.
Yes.
Lots of calculator in this unit. It's one of the few. So happy day. What's your complaint then?
C's, or big C and little C release.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I
You
gotta
can switch to Greek letters if you want.
no.
Okay. So guys, are you noticing the capital letters are always our angles and the lowercase letters are always our sides? Okay, that's good to pay attention to. So in this problem, we have to find angle B, little a, and little c. Angle B should be pretty easy. How do we find it? It's 45, yes. There's 180 degrees in your triangle. You know 2 of the 3 angles, so you're clear from there. That is 45 degrees. Okay? So that's not new. That's just all right. We are not going to draw a line anywhere in our triangle. We don't have to turn it into a right triangle because we have the law of sines now. So that's what we're going to use. Do you see how the 45 degrees and directly across from it, I know this side is 34. You definitely want to use those 2 because you know both of them. And then you can pick, we'll do probably A first just to go in alphabetical order. But you just pick one of the other ones to start with. So I'm going to set up my law of sines. So that's the sine of 45 over 34 equals the sine of 75 over little a. That's the proportion you just wrote down from the law of sines page. And now we just have to solve our proportions. No idea. It's not mine. This person is. What is hard about this?
Yeah, I think it's like
So sine big A is 75.
What about sine big C?
We only do 2, so you only solve with 2 proportions at a time. You don't solve with all 3. Okay. How do I solve when I have a fraction equals a fraction?
So you go across.
Okay, let's just call it cross multiply. The butterfly thing, I don't understand that. It's not a butterfly.
no, that makes sense.
What about caterpillar?
Caterpillar? Sounds like your own method. Hold on. All right, so first step, A times sine of 45 equals 34 times sine of 75. That's just the cross multiplying part. And then how do I get A by itself? All right, on this, key it all in at once on your calculator. So do 34 times the sine of 75, close that parenthesis, and then divided by sine of 45. Then hit enter. Because you don't know the sine of 75. Okay, sorry. You don't have to. You can just do 34 times it, divide, like it's fine, because there's no addition going on, so you're okay. Or you can use the fraction key on your calculator.
Can you explain how it is?
Wait, what's the fraction?
34
34.
sine
I put it in parentheses. Sine
75,
45.
close your parentheses, divided by sine of 45.
That's what you
It is way easier. Yes, alpha y equals, that's your shortcut to your fraction. Did you get 46.4?
Whoa, I like that so much more.
Yeah, guys, do you know the shortcut for your fraction key on your calculator? Or you can do alpha y equals. And it takes you there. It's the top one.
It's pretty cool.
Yes, the alpha and then all of those keys, those are all shortcut keys.
Then it makes it look just like the paper.
It does make it look just like your paper, which is a nice thing.
Actually, I don't have questions on
All right, guys, are we okay with finding A? Okay, now we have to go back and find C. Guys, to find C, start over the same way. We're going to start with sine of 45 over 34 because I know both of those. I didn't round any part of that. Okay, so I'm going to do sine of 45 over here this time. Over 34. What is it going to equal this time?
60 over C.
Sine of 60, yep, over C.
But what if I do A or B?
So A is a rounded answer now, right? So don't use that. Unless you're going to store the value in your calculator and use the exact answer, I would go back to using the B, the 45 degrees, and the 34, because you know those exactly. All right, then you're just cross multiplying again. And some of you will get very quick at the cross multiplying and you don't need to write it down. That's completely fine with me. Some of you won't. That's okay too. What are you getting? 41.6? Yeah.
It's not like 4 speed or whatever.
If I give you a unit, you can put it, but if I don't, like there was nothing labeled in this one for you, so.
This is my unit.
It's your unit, okay. I would love for it to be everyone's unit. All right, guys, questions on number 1? Do we like it so far? Yeah, law of science, pretty easy. What? Oh, you can go back and prove it, but going through the proof is just Google proving law of science. You can watch a video on it, but it's a little more than we need to do here. So, all right, guys, draw the triangle for number 2. I'm going to have you try this one on your own. You need to find angle A, and little b. So which one do you know the angle and the side? So sine of 25 over 80 equals.
And then you just use, and then you'll do like equals to A1. You know what to start?
I knew I was forgetting.
I'm bored. I don't make yeah, okay.
That's okay.
Probably back, so. Yeah, I'm trying to ask you.
All right, guys, let's look. Guys, angle A is significantly larger than the other angles, right? So you should expect side A to be a lot bigger than the other sides too, okay? So this is 133.9, and this is 64.7. How many did you get those? Okay. Questions on that one, guys? Walking around, it looked like almost everybody got there, so. Let's do just one more, okay? Yeah, one more. Okay. All right. So this time I just tell you pieces of information. You have to draw your triangle. You have to make a picture.
Do you know which ones are
Right now, no. For what we do next class, yes. But that's okay. We're not there yet. Yeah, like they're straight across from whatever matches up with them. Yep. So remember, side A would be opposite of this is big angle A. Like that's your 12. So you have to find angle C, little b, and little c.
One time.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Well, I just finished up the other ones.
Okay, you're a little behind. All right, guys, look up here when you want to check. Walking around, it looks like you guys got there, so. In your packets, there is homework 5.2, day 1. That's what you should be doing for homework. All right, so homework 5.2, day 1. Yes, front and back.